Maintaining clean laminate floors can be a challenge, especially with the busy lifestyles many of us lead. Fortunately, technology has come to the rescue with robot vacuums, designed to efficiently clean your floors without the need for constant manual effort. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 robot vacuums specifically suited for laminate floors, detailing their features, benefits, and where to find them. Number 1. Elife V3S Pro Robot Vacuum. The Elife V3S Pro is an excellent choice for households with laminate flooring. Designed to tackle pet hair and everyday dirt, this robot vacuum boasts a slim profile that allows it to easily navigate under furniture and along edges. Its powerful suction is optimized for hard surfaces, ensuring that laminate floors remain spotless. The V3S Pro features a user-friendly interface with one-touch controls, making it simple for anyone to operate. With a runtime of up to 100 minutes on a single charge, this vacuum can cover a significant area before needing to recharge. It also includes a programmable schedule, allowing you to set cleaning times according to your convenience. Key features: Smart sensor technology prevents falls and collisions, ensuring your vacuum stays safe while cleaning. Anti-tangle technology effectively removes pet hair and other debris without getting stuck. Ultra-slim design, at just 2.8 inches high, it can easily clean under most furniture. Multiple cleaning modes, choose from auto, edge, and spot cleaning modes depending on your needs. User-friendly remote control, easily operate the vacuum from a distance. Number 2. Ecovix D-Bot N79S. The Ecovix D-Bot N79S is a versatile robot vacuum ideal for laminate floors, offering a combination of smart features and powerful cleaning capabilities. With its Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control the vacuum via a smartphone app or through voice commands using Alexa or Google Assistant. The N79S comes with a powerful suction system that efficiently picks up dust, dirt, and debris from laminate surfaces. It also has a long-lasting battery that provides up to 110 minutes of cleaning time, making it perfect for larger areas. Its multiple cleaning modes allow you to customize your cleaning experience based on your home's needs. Key features: Smart app control, easily schedule and monitor cleaning sessions via your smartphone. Voice assistant integration, compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant for hands-free control. Enhanced suction power, optimized for various floor types, especially effective on laminate. Drop sensing technology, prevents falls from stairs or elevated surfaces. HEPA filter, traps allergens and dust for a cleaner home environment. Number 3. Robotic E4 Robot Vacuum. The Robotic E4 is an advanced robot vacuum designed for efficient cleaning of laminate floors. With its high-efficiency filter and powerful suction capabilities, it captures dirt and allergens effectively. The vacuum boasts a sleek design and can easily transition from hard surfaces to low-pile carpets. Equipped with smart navigation technology, the E4 maps out your home for efficient cleaning paths, avoiding obstacles along the way. Its impressive battery life allows it to operate for up to 200 minutes, making it one of the longer-lasting options available. Key features: Intelligent navigation, uses sensors to create a systematic cleaning path, ensuring no area is missed. High suction power, up to 2000 pascal suction, perfect for removing dirt from laminate floors. Long battery life, can clean for up to 200 minutes on a single charge. App control, allows for scheduling and monitoring cleaning sessions from your smartphone. Easy maintenance, washable dustbin and filter for long-term use. Number 4. Neato BotVac D4 Connected. The Neato BotVac D4 Connected stands out with its D-shaped design, enabling it to clean corners and edges effectively, a significant advantage for maintaining laminate floors. This robot vacuum is equipped with advanced laser navigation, mapping your home and ensuring efficient cleaning routes. The D4's strong suction and large brush make it capable of picking up everything from fine dust to larger debris, making it an excellent choice for homes with pets. With a runtime of up to 120 minutes, this vacuum can handle a variety of spaces before needing to recharge. Key features: Laser Smart technology maps your home in real time for efficient cleaning paths. Corner cleaning design: the D shape allows it to reach areas that are often missed by round vacuums. Smart app control: control your vacuum remotely via the Neato app for customized cleaning. Multiple cleaning modes: choose from different cleaning modes based on your specific needs. High performance filter: captures up to 99% of allergens, ensuring a cleaner home. Number 5. iRobot Roomba 675. The iRobot Roomba 675 is a well-known name in the robot vacuum market, and for good reason. This model offers reliable cleaning performance specifically designed for laminate floors. With its 3-stage cleaning system and powerful suction, it can handle both dust and larger debris efficiently. What sets the Roomba 675 apart is its user-friendly features, including Wi-Fi connectivity for remote control via a smartphone app. Its compact design allows it to navigate under furniture and around obstacles with ease, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Key features: 3-stage cleaning system effectively lifts dirt, dust, and pet hair from laminate surfaces. Smart navigation adapts to your home layout for optimal cleaning efficiency. Wi-Fi connectivity: control and schedule cleanings from your smartphone. Automatic recharge: returns to its dock when the battery is low, ensuring it's always ready to clean. Compatible with voice assistants, works with Alexa and Google Assistant for convenient voice control. Conclusion: choosing the right robot vacuum for laminate floors can significantly simplify your cleaning routine. Each of these 5 options, Elife V3S Pro, Ecovix D-Bot N79S, Robotic E4, Neato BotVac D4 Connected, and iRobot Roomba 675 offers unique features and advantages that cater to different cleaning needs. By investing in one of these efficient devices, you can enjoy cleaner floors with minimal effort, giving you more time to focus on what really matters in your life.